to Roof Time in association with Moose Roofing out of Omaha, Nebraska. I am your host, Austin Anderson. I major in roofing and minor in the little things like chainsaws, mini bobcats, three-wheelers. In today's video, we are going to show you how to install a Broan Vent. Just look at this beauty. This right here, this is called a nipple. Maybe you've seen one before. In the demonstration video, we are working with a presidential shingle, FYI. That's why it looks so gorgeous and completely beautiful. There's nothing like a good presidential. You want to make sure you have a good cut over the hole. You make the cut on the shingle that's going to be directly beneath the vent. When you are installing the vent, there will be a tube in there. It kind of looks like a trimmer. And that's where you want to attach your vent. On the vent, there's what I refer to as the nipple. It's an adapter piece that you screw into the bottom of the Broan Vent. The one in this video already has been screwed on, and it has an unbelievable seal on it. Way better than anything Flex Seal could ever do. Then you'll do a nice little layer of ducting tape that will secure it, so all the air will go straight out of the exit like it's supposed to. Just like this. You'll need to take the vent and stick the nipple into the ducting tube coming out of the roof. Make sure it slides in there real nice and tight. Then you take the strip of your ducting tape that you already had to go. Just always prepare to have your tape on. It's tape. It's like sticking. It's like the Sticky Bandits. And tape it up real good. You want to tape it up real good. The ducting tape is a really great material. It sticks incredibly well. You get it attached on there. Get it attached right on the nipple. Nice and tight. You don't want any water leaking in there, folks. It's got to be tight. And then you will have a nice smooth exit for the air that's coming out. The air will go like this. Now maneuver the tube right back down so that the vent is straight and flat with the shingle surface nice and secure on the deck. The next thing you want to do is pound the nails into the vent. You want to nail on the front flange part of the vent. Don't worry about nailing the top flange because it will be secured to the deck when you do your next shingle. Then at the very end of your roofing job, you go through and you silicone off the nails so that the water can't run underneath the heads. Pew, pew, pew. Then before you put on the next shingle, you're going to do what's called an ice and water saddle. So that way it covers the outside edges of the vent and also secures the back. That way any water that comes through will run straight off the roof and not go underneath the edges of the vent. That is the purpose of the ice and water saddle. And the next shingle will go right over that. And when you are hammering down the shingle, you do not want to puncture the vent. No puncturing of the metal. You want to be next to it, but at least 1 or 2 inches away so it's secure. But if you puncture the metal, naughty water will have a way to sneak in and damage things. And that, my friends, is how you put on a Broan Vent. You are now completely filled with Broan Vent knowledge. Your life is complete. Make sure you subscribe and ring the little bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Class is dismissed.